Hello again, boys and girls, and I'm ready to finish, the Soundcraft Spirit Powerstation repair. So this is part 4, I suppose. So here I have the parts order from China, potentiometers. Well, it took like 2 weeks or something, but I may say pretty fast and not so expensive too. Hopefully are the parts I need. An envelope into an envelope. Nice. Let's see what we got here. 2 times 5 of these potentiometers. It's supposed to be A103. That means A, it's logarithmic. It's perfect. A103. Logarithmic potentiometers with anti-dust filter. Beautiful. You can't even think how nice is this one working like. Well, it's new, of course. Okay, nothing to do but to replace the broken ones. Okay, so it's very clear. These 2 guys are the most, let's call it, broked ones. So I'll take this out from the board first. Okay, this one already have been replaced. I can see some flux there. That can explain some things. Like, of course, the bad quality of the potentiometers. These are Chinese. I don't want to be rude, but you'll never know. So far, this fits perfect to my purpose there. Okay, let's take them out. What's happening? This is not working anymore. My power supply? No, it's working. Oh, I can't believe it. It's broke or what? Okay, I don't have time for that. So I use this soldering station from Parkside. No, I don't like it too much. I don't know why, but now I can give a chance. I got so used with that little guy of mine. Oh man, it's dusty. I didn't use it in the last months or something. 200, 300. I like to have like 350 degrees Celsius, but probably kind of better thermic inertia, which is a good point. Perfect. Oh man. There we are. Japan, 10 kilo ohms times 2. Okay, you're gone. Your history. Let me have this. I may say this is untouched. Gone. And yeah, here is free. The other side, the ground is out. Much easier this time. Japan, original Japanese potentiometers. No, it fits perfect. All right, I had a little bit of panic attack. No, it fits perfect. What's wrong with you? Okay, we need some more place there. Funny. Oh yes, finally. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, next one. I love this with dust proof. Oh, finally. Perfect. So, these 2 guys are okay. Placed. And that's it. Nice. I don't want to clean too much. I love to have this rosin cover varnish. It's the best isolation ever. And not only, it's also a very good moisture repeller. We can test it now. Yes, I'm back again. You see, I have to dismantle the mixer because number 6 here, the potentiometer and the general effect potentiometer, also it's corrupt. So nothing else to do but to replace them. But it's nice because I was in a kind of hurry, let's call it. So that's why it's good to have a proper test before closing the things. I was a kind of enthusiastic and I found that another 2 potentiometers need to be replaced, and here we are again. Perfecto. Oh, let me see. Japan. Same potentiometers. I think these are the originals. Yes, they are. That's perfect. I'm looking for the soldier, you know, to get to the other side, and it is absolutely okay. Yes, let's check the other side. Oh, perfect. That's the effect board. If we are here, let's have some of this. Because I can see there a pretty oxidized connector. That should be fine. Just let it dry a little. Yeah, it's dry. This board, it's kept in place by these 4 plastic, how can I call this, rivets or something. Okay. Okay, so we are absolutely okay. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 new potentiometers and everything is nice and proper. Now I have to put the face back and do the final test. Okay, so here we are. Let's put the things back together. This is the foot switch for the effect on off. This should go here somewhere, right here. Yes, that's the one. Then we have a ground connection, and that should be right here. And here we have another one, shield. Which side doesn't really matter. Like this. Now let's have the ground connection there. Like that. The shield is in place. Perfect. And another one over there. Perfect. Okay, and of course we have to put this part down here behind and then down. That's it. Screws. Oh man, it's so heavy. Whoa. Number 3, 93. Let's bypass the equalizer. Player on. Oh hey, we have to put this on. So this is the general volume, and we have a power amplifier here. Excellent. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, people, that's it for today. We are at the end of the journey, I may say. The power station 600 Spirit from Soundcraft. It's working great. It's looking great. It's back on duty, I may say. I had to replace 4 potentiometers. Now everything is fine. The effect it's working as it should. What can I say? I'm really happy I could save a piece of gear that is still alive, and this one will make a really great job for years and years more. Yeah, I hope it's useful, and like usually, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course I'm waiting your comments. Don't forget to push the like button, and the most important thing, have fun. See you, bye bye.